Hello friends, myself Ganesh Raizale. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss the topic of condition monitoring of machine. So what is condition monitoring is? It is the process of monitoring a parameter of condition in machinery, vibrations, temperature, etc. in order to identify a significant change which is indicative of developing a fault. Now, what exactly it is? In order to understand it, let us take an example. Today Mr. XYZ is not feeling well, so he went to a physician. So what happened is, he says, I am not feeling well. Doctor says, okay, you need to operate. So is this way it happens? No, it's never like this. So what happens is, you can see here, so what you see is, doctor understands the symptoms of Mr. XYZ, analyze it and suggest a proper medicine in order to get cure. Now what if it is a machine? We need to check the machine periodically whether it is showing any symptoms like its vibrations, increase of oil temperature if oil is present, or increase in the noise, etc., so that it can be checked on a regular basis. So a person can observe is collecting some signals from the machines. These are the frequency signals. These signals are captured in the, say, FFT analyzer. These signals are discussed, or the discussion could take place, and the analysis of signal could take place, so that whatever symptoms are shown by the machine can be understood. So these signals, as we discussed previously also in case of patient also, so these signals can be understood, this can be analyzed, and proper remedy can be suggested if there is any fault. So this is what the process of monitoring the parameter of condition in the machinery in order to identify a significant change which is indicative of developing a fault, which could, the parameters which shows that there could be a problem in the machine, those can be analyzed in in advance. So why we need to check the machine health on a regular basis? That is why it is so necessary that we should check the condition of machine on a regular basis. So monitoring the vibration characteristics of machine gives us an understanding of health condition of the machine. We can use this information to detect problems that might be developing. So if we don't monitor the condition of the machine, what can happen? It could happen in severe machine damage. So if condition of machine is monitored regularly, the potential problems can be detected and corrected at early stage, or in advance we can understand that there could be failure of the machine. Next thing, if we don't monitor machines regularly, it could result in delay of transport of goods. So because of unmonitored machine, there is more likely to break down of the machines and plant, and it could cause delay in the transportation of the goods. Another thing is unnecessary maintenance of machines. So to avoid the waste of time and money, the machines can be regularly monitored and repaired only when it is necessary. So while the production is going on, we need not to halt the machine, and we need not to have maintenance of it if it is regularly monitored. Another thing is occupational hazards, or I can say the hazard to a person which are working on the shop floors. So due to increase in the noise of the machine or vibrations of the machine, that can cause a damage of hearing loss or human discomfort. It could result in the human discomfort also. So that is what the condition monitoring of machine is.